I'm so bored. Whoa. Stupid hill thing. Not straight thing, but the hill. I like this, and I was like, whoa. Don't know if you noticed, but I fell. Ish. Fellish? Fellish. That's like relish, right? What is relish? Can you like comment below what relish is if you know what it is? This is gonna be a long title. I wanna see a snail. Let's find a snail. I'm gonna find a snail. Okay. Let's find a snail. I don't know if my voice is different in this video. My voice sounds really, really like girly like in my other videos. That's like too girly. I don't like it. It's like, yeah! And it kind of annoys the crap out of me. So I'm just toning my voice a bit. It'd be funny if I, oh my god, this car. OMG, OMG. Okay, I'm walking this way. I'm walking this way. Oh my god, this thing's coming too. Okay, it's gone. I probably look more like a freak running away. Oh my god, what's that butterfly? Look at the butterfly. Oh, you missed it. Oh well. It was pretty. Well, I didn't find a snail, but I found a butterfly, so I think that counts for a high five. I want to find a butterfly again. Damn. These are my feet that made me trip. Actually, I'm laying on the hill, so yeah. OMG, it's a sticky. Sticker, sticker. Sticky wig bye-bye. Sticky wig bye-bye. So yeah. Wee. They should make like a Webkinz butterfly. Like, I know they made like an online one, but like I mean like an actual like pet like plushie one. It'd be so cute. Or, like a peace butterfly. OMG, OMG. That'd be awesome. That'd be amazing. Yeah, I think so. I really love the peace unicorn. I think I'll probably get it instead of getting one at the shops. I don't know. Because and then in a few weeks I'm getting the signature Australian Shepherd when the lady gets it. So yeah, I'm really excited. My first signature, I'm spending like 4,000 or 3,000 on its room. No, I think I'm spending 4,000 here because I already got 2,000 cash saved up. And then with my new pet, I know I might only spend 1,000 on its room, so then I can have like another 1,000. I don't know. I just want to have a really great room. Let's go look at sticks. This is my stick. This is Bob E. Not Bob. Bob's the tree. This is Bob E. And this is Tim right here. That's Tim. And then that one's yeah, I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm naming sticks. What's wrong with me? I don't know. I think I'm too hot, like, because this jumper's kind of getting me hot now, so I think I'm going a bit not too normal. I threw my weapons up here once and I hit like the garage door. I say garage weird. Yeah. And yeah. My mom says I can't say grandma right. She says I go grandma. Ready? I'll say it. Ready? Grandma. I don't know. She says I don't say it right. But anyway.